Florida General Knowledge Test Math Prep, Part 5. This question is considered one of the easy questions on the General Knowledge Test. What is the greatest common factor, or GCF, of 12, 30, and 42? One way to find the greatest common factor of a set of numbers is to do what's called a prime factorization on each number and look for those prime factors which are shared. The prime factorization on 12 would look like this. The smallest prime factor that divides into 12 is 2, and we're left with 6, because 2 times 6 equals 12. 6 can be broken down into a product of the primes 2 and 3. A prime factorization on 30 looks like this. 2 goes into 30 15 times. 2 is prime, 15 is not. So we can break 15 down into a product of the prime numbers 3 and 5. For 42, 2 goes into 42 21 times. 21 can be broken down into 3 times 7, both of which are prime. Next, we look to see which prime factors are shared. So, each number has a prime factor of 2 in common. Each number also has a prime factor of 3. So, 2 times 3 is shared by each number in the set. Now there are no other numbers that are shared by 12, 30, and 42. So, 2 times 3 is 6, and this is our GCF. Another way to think about it is to look at each number and decide what is the largest number that will divide evenly into each one of these numbers. So if you're comfortable with your multiplication facts, you don't need to do a prime factorization. You should be able to reason out what is the largest number that will divide evenly into 12, 30, and 42. Of course, that number is 6. This concludes our example, and we'll see you next time.